it's Brenda from Creations by Babydoll. Hope everything is going well. Today I'm going to be doing a flip cup on an 8x10. I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone. This helps release all of the paint from the cup. And today I'm going to be using the Master's Touch Phthalo Blue, Liquitex Basics Light Blue Permanent, DecoArt Americana Cobalt Turquoise Hues, and DecoArt Metallic Warm Penny. Now all of my paints do have silicone in them. I will let you know if they don't. So I'm going to start with the blue here. And then some light blue. And I'm just doing these in layers. And the worn penny. And another round. There we go. Pink didn't want to come out. And we're going to do one more layer. Now once we have all the layering done, I'm going to swirl it so that the colors will sort of mix a little bit more. Alright, let me get these out of the way. Now my aim is to hit it right here in the middle, but I think I'm just going to flip it this way. Don't want the paint to go everywhere. Now as you can see, the silicone is releasing the paint. It's going down to the sides. So you get all the paint. You don't have all that excess left in there. Well, that looks good to me. So we're just going to flip. Put a little bit on the edges to help draw the paint. So we're going to give it a torch, get the air bubbles out, see what else might pop up. That's if my torch wants to agree with me today. Looks like I'm going to have to get a new one. There we go. Okay, so I'm really liking this area up here. And I'm really liking this area down here, so I'm going to start with the side that I like. So I'm going to take it down here, and I'm going to cut the corners. That way the paint will come back on and won't lose as much to the drippage. Now bring it back to center. Try to help it along. There we go. Bring all that paint back to center again. Go with this corner here. And bring it back. this corner. I need to bring my paint back to center a little bit more so the weight's even. There we go. And now I'm going to bring it down to this corner on the side. Let's pop it back down. Alright, let's take a look at this now. Now what I'm doing here is whenever I'm wiping the bottom edges like this, I'm trying to get the excess paint off. Because if you leave that excess paint on there when it's drying, it will continue dripping off, and what you come back to will be a completely different composition. Let me give it a quick torch here, see what might pop up. This is interesting down here, but I'm not liking that too much. I'm going to try to tilt that off more. I'm starting to lose my copper there. I don't want to do that. Let's bring it back more to center. I'm really liking that. Let's way over here with that copper. Ooh, that's pretty. Well, thank y'all for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down at the bottom and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put more videos up on my next one. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye, y'all.